Ever wondered how your sleek Windows 11 setup can go from bright light mode to a stunning dark mode in just seconds? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch to dark mode and give your screen a fresh, modern vibe. Let's get started. And turn on transparency effects. This adds a subtle, glass-like feel to Windows and the taskbar. Try it. You'll notice a nice visual upgrade right away. And that's it. You've just switched to dark mode on Windows 11. Dark mode isn't just easier on the eyes, especially at night. It also gives your desktop a sleek, modern look. Whether you're working late or just love the aesthetic, dark mode can totally change the vibe of your setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.